Welcome to episode 22. Testing with Clojure.test. Green checks in seconds from your editor. Deftest declares a test, is asserts, testing labels a group. Run from the REPL with run tests, or from the shell with the test alias. Red, refactor, green, without leaving your editor. Here's app.util from episode 20. 3 small functions we now want to pin down with tests. The test namespace, one deftest per function, with is assertions inside. Testing groups related checks under a label. Our deps.edn has 2 aliases. Dev adds test / to the class path so the REPL can see tests. Test adds the runner for the command line. Start the REPL with clj-a:\dev. Require app.util -test. Tests loaded. Run tests against the namespace. 3 tests, 7 assertions, 0 failures, 0 errors. You can also use is Ad-hoc at the REPL. Pull it in plus app.util. Assertion passes, returns true. A failing assertion is prints fail, expected, and actual. Control-D. Back to the shell. From the shell, clj-m:\test runs the same suite through the test runner. Three tests, 7 assertions, green. CI ready. Quick recap. Deftest declares a test, is an assertion, testing groups them under a label. A dev alias with test / on the class path lets the REPL load your tests and run them with run tests. A test alias with the cognitect test runner runs the whole suite from the command line. Next up, adding a dependency from Clojures. Thanks for watching episode 22. Tests you can run in seconds are tests you'll actually run. Next, episode 23, adding a dependency.